Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. So you guys, Sim Dope has been trending for a couple of days since AKA's memorial, you guys. And if you're an AKA fan, then you would know the song by AKA called Sim Dope. However, most of us did not know that Sim is an actual person, you guys. So AKA made that song called Sim Dope in honor of his friend Simphiwe Gumede, who had been his friend since the age of 11 years old, you guys. They both attended St. John College in 2000. Sim Dope is the son of South African billionaire businessman Robert Gumede, who is estimated to have a net worth of over 2 to 3 billion rands, you guys. He is the founder of IT firm called Gijima Technology. Sim's father once brought the US rapper Riky Rick to perform at his son's birthday party, you guys. That's how rich the family is. It is reported that the Gumede's house is situated on top of a mountain and that the home is like the size of a pavilion, you guys, and they drive some of the most expensive cars in the world, you guys. In the song, in AKA's song, which is called Sim Dope, he can be heard singing, saying, "If I die, I pray to God he brings me back as a Sim Dope." Now, Sim gave a heartwarming speech at AKA's memorial, sharing memories of his late friend AKA, you guys. And unfortunately, I cannot share that video here. If you want to watch it, you can go to Twitter to watch the rest of that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video, because I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.